Moving to USA, new to Costco, check this out. I'll show you what products to buy and my favorite recipe. Today's product is Birch Bender waffle mix, blueberry, maple syrup, coconut oil, avocado oil. Everything is from Costco, no bad ingredients or chemicals, very good stuff. Kids love Birch Bender pancake mix waffle. Let's check out the recipe. 3/4 cup pancake mix, 1 tablespoon coconut oil, half a cup water, mix. Wait for 5 minutes and turn on waffle maker in the meantime. Place 2 to 3 tablespoon batter in the maker and close. Waffle is ready in 3 minutes. Serve it hot with whipped cream, blueberry and maple syrup on top. All product links are in description. Go to warehouse to shop since online is slightly expensive in Costco. Don't forget to subscribe. More recipe coming soon.